Hi friends, welcome back. Cracking GIB and CIB with Ras. Today we are going to learn about depreciation, which is very important. Which is very important, we can say, for GIB as well as CIB aspirants. Those who want to clear their exam of GIB and CIB in single attempt must go through this. And one thing I want to assure you that after going through this you will be able to get at least 5 to 7 marks in GIB and 2 to 3 marks in CAIB. So let's start. Depreciation, the allocation of cost of assets to periods in which the assets are used. And what are assets? An asset is something bought by the company to increase its value and income or help the benefit of company's overall operations. It means asset may be something which add either operational benefit of the company or its value is recorded in the balance sheet. We will learn in the next slide. Assets will be recorded on a company's balance sheet and can either be tangible or intangible. Now the thing is that what is tangible and what is intangible. Tangible means which we can feel, the building, cars, and intangible means goodwill. Now assets are of two types, fixed assets and current assets. Fixed assets are those which are purchased for a long term use and are not likely to be converted quickly into cash. आपने पढ़ा भी होगा पहले भी कि फिक्स्ड एसेट जो होते हैं वो क्विकली कन्वर्ट नहीं होते हैं कैश में. बेसिकली टर्म 1 ईयर या उनसे ज़्यादा होते हैं. अप टू 1 ईयर को हम लोग करंट एसेट्स बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट्स आर कार, बिल्डिंग, फर्नीचर, land, etc. Now current assets, as we all know, it is less than 1 year. Cash and other assets that are expected to be converted into cash within a year. For example, cash, inventory, stock or debtors. Friends, one thing note, please note, depreciation is provided only on fixed assets. And this is very important for GIB aspirants. Please note it down. As I am telling you, to clear GIB and CIB in first attempt, these 5 to 7 marks for GIB aspirants and 2 to 3 marks for CAIB aspirants is very much important. So now causes of depreciation: wear and tear, inefficiency, obsolescence, efflux of time, accident. Wear and tear, after some time something happens to the machinery or car or building, so with depreciation comes. Inefficiency, efficiency decreases with the duration or time. Efflux of time, aging we can say, and accidents. Now why we need depreciation? Depreciation is very important. Why? Now read this. To ascertain true value of assets, to retain funds for replacement, to reduce tax liabilities, to present true positions. And factors for depreciations are the cost of assets, the estimated residual or scrap value of at the end of the asset, and third one is the estimated number of years of its commercial life. So for GIB students, this need of appreciations and factors for calculating depreciation, you may expect half to 1 mark questions, so mind it. Next, now come to the methods of depreciation. Basically 3 types are there. One is straight line method or fixed installment method, fixed percentage or original costs. Names are different but type is one. Either we can say straight line or fixed installment method or fixed percentage or original cost. So friends, you have to mind it. GIB students, aspirants, please mind it. They can ask what will be the fixed installment method for this, that numerical they will ask, then don't get confused. Please read carefully. And second one is most important for GIB as well as CIB. लास्ट ईयर मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया था फ्रेंड्स. आई एम वेरी फ्रैंकली टेलिंग यू, CIB 2 to 3 marks, GIB 5 to 7 marks, and one numerical based on this, the B, reducing installment or written down value method. 100% you can expect. Or diminishing balance method. Don't get confused there, because diminishing balance method or written down value method, or we can say reducing installment method, all are same. And the third type is sum of years digit method. So friends, basically methods of depreciation are three, which just now we have learnt. Now come to individual. What is straight line method? In straight line method, depreciation method, cost of fixed asset is reduced uniformly over the useful life of time of the asset. Since the depreciation expenses charged to income statement in each period in the same carrying amount of the asset and balance sheet declines in a straight line. आप ये जान लीजिए, this is the simplest one and very less chance to ask, but in JIB we can expect a half to 1 marks question from this. Formula is very straightforward. Straight line method is equal to cost of asset minus scrap value divided by useful life. You don't get confused, this divided is for that bar. And the example you can see, XYJ company bought a machinery for 1 lakh on 1st April 2017 and spent for 20,000 on installment. Useful life was 5 years. Its estimated scrap value at end of period was 10,000. Find out the annual depreciation and rate of depreciation. So simply you put the formula and you will get the result. There is nothing hard and fast in this. Second one is most important for JIB as well as CIB aspirants. Mind it, for the last 2-3 years it is continuously coming for 1 to 2 marks up to 3 marks in CIB. So it is very important. Again I am telling you, please learn by heart reducing installment method or written down method. This is very important. And if I will get time, then I will give more and more numerical on this. But first I want to say that JIB and CIB clearing is another thing. You are not here to know much more. Please, if you are watching this video, it means you want to just clear your JIB and CIB, not for knowledge. Frankly speaking, just go through it just like newspaper. Don't take it on heart, but you have to read. All items are here with the Macmillan book. Go for it, Macmillan book and latest version. Now go to the subject, that is reducing installment method or written down method, value method, or diminishing balance, or are same. Under this method, the depreciation is calculated at certain fixed percentage each year on decreasing book value, commonly known as written down value method of the asset. Book value is less depreciation. Example is given. Please go through it. You write. And the third one is sum of years digit method. It is very rarely used, but JIB aspirants, please mind it. It may be asked for half marks or 1 mark. What is this? Sum of years digit method. Sum of years digit method of depreciation is based on the assumption that assets are generally more productive when they are new and their productivity decreases as they become old. So you must learn this and go through this. And friends, please like, share and subscribe if you want to clear JIB CIB in first attempt. Thank you very much.